Classic user story mapping is a collaborative planning technique in Agile that helps teams visualize the product from the user's point of view and break it down into meaningful deliverables. Introduced by Jeff Patton, this technique addresses a common problem in product development building software based on isolated requirements, instead of understanding the complete user experience. Instead of listing features in a flat backlog, story mapping builds a structured, two-dimensional map that reflects how users interact with the product and what functionality is needed to support that experience step by step. The process begins by identifying the user personas, representations of real users, and then mapping out the high-level tasks or activities that those users would perform when using the product. These are placed horizontally at the top of the map to reflect the sequence of steps in the user journey. For example, if you're building a travel booking app, the top-level activities might include search destinations, select flight, add passenger details, make payment, and receive confirmation. These steps form the backbone of the user story map and help everyone align around what the user is trying to accomplish. Under each of these high-level tasks, the team brainstorms detailed user stories, which are short, goal-oriented descriptions of user needs written from the user's perspective. These stories are arranged vertically, starting with the most important or basic functionality at the top and moving toward optional, advanced, or edge case features lower down. Once the map is populated, the team can draw horizontal slices across the vertical stacks to create releases or iterations. This way, development can be incremental and iterative, allowing teams to respond to change quickly while continuously improving the product. One of the major strengths of story mapping is its visual nature, which makes it just perfect for group collaboration. It's often done with sticky notes on a wall or a virtual whiteboard, and it actively involves cross-functional team members, product owners, developers, testers, UX designers, and business stakeholders. Beyond backlog planning, user story maps can also serve as roadmaps, communication tools, and release planning guides. In complex projects, story maps can be extended to include dependencies, technical constraints, or user feedback loops, making them a living document that evolves with the product. In summary, classic user story mapping is much more than a technique for writing user stories. It's a strategic tool that helps Agile teams see the big picture, focus on the user journey, plan iteratively, and deliver real value faster. It bridges the gap between business goals and technical execution by grounding the entire process in what truly matters: solving problems for real users.